Ngathi ungatshela umuntu ukuthi wena weakness yakho ukuthi nokuthi.
No, when
Hayi
I
kusho
look
mina.
I like overworking myself, yabo. Manje into enjalo, into
I-weakness strong bese
Weakness,
bakunikeza umsebenzi ongaka ya.
we
Hayi wathi wena. Can you work under pressure? Wathi wena yes.
Wavuma wrong.
Yeah.
Ngibona uzokhuluma njenga ngibani lomuntu lona athi welcome to our web session. Today we are being visited by two ladies from Sister to Sister, which is a program that is running here in Petrotif M Kondo, and we would like to hear more about it today. Sanibonani Sister, let me introduce.
Sanibonani.
Hey.
Happy Mother's Day to the mothers and the mothers in advance. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, middle lapho. Mina ke ngubongeka Mabaso, mostly or famously known as Sis B by my little sisters. And yeah, I'm the founder and managing director of Sister to Sister.
Sanibonani. Happy Mother's Day to everyone, to all the mothers out there, even those who who are willing to become mothers. Kodwa lapho ndithi abangasondeli, okay?
They don't joke.
It's a full-time job, guys. It's a full-time job ukuba nomntwana and so forth, you understand. So my name is Tembile Minangwagayende. I'm a senior executive member ye organization called Sister to Sister Konaline Kondo.
Kamakula Magam, managing director and senior executive. Yo, I can see it, but I can't. Yo, what I guess
Yeah, can you walk us through who's Sister to Sister, the foundation in like how it was founded?
Well, I was doing matric. Yes, 17 years old, into matric Lamadlelo. And I went to Utabo, Mteto, Rasta Para. So and then I was like, I have this idea. Where I had this yearning for a sisterhood. There was something boost the sisterhood, man. Because okay, I do have all the sisters, but it's not a relationship I can go confide and stuff. So I was like, if me now so there are others now. So was a moving as a direction doors to knock on, but I think timing and then I had to go to varsity. Mangbuya, I still had the passion. And that's when I went to my sisters, and then we formed a team, we registered at Alanjal.
Registered as an NPO?
As a NPC.
NPC.
Yeah.
Okay, what is an NPC?
It's a
NPO.
It's similar. We NPO, ne? Yeah, it's just that we are registered with CIPC. Yeah, so it's a non-profit company. It's a company.
Oh, okay.
But we can change to NPO should we wish to.
Right.
But it's pretty much the same thing.
Okay. So what is it that you specialize in, or what is your main focus?
Well, the focus here too is basically building a home of sisterhood. Build my relationships with girls from Lamkondo.
A safe space.
A safe space, like a girls' hub. Something where accommodated girls, not just Mkondo, Mkondo namaphethe, ukuthi sikwazi ukuhlala and have yabona nje ingekhathi kanjena sibe ne girls talk about anything related to social issues as we face as girls. So that's one thing esamuyenza ukuthi take the girls, let's talk about things esidlula kuzo and not just sibayekelele, because we see the wrong things abazenzayo, but we're trying by all means to say, okay, yeah, unless it's a control, but just have a direction. That's the consequences of A, B, and C and knowing ukuthi as abantu esidlulile kuleso stage, we can share our experiences afterwards.
So where do you get these children, these young women, young ladies? where do you get them from? Ukuthi nizo, do you go to schools or do they come to you? How do we know about you so that I know if I want to talk, I can always go to Sis B and if I need this and this, nihlangana kanjani?
If I may enter lapho akusithina sodwa esisebenza kule organization. So there's Usisindu is a teacher endaweni primary. So khona sithembele kuye ukuthi sometimes uyakwazi ukuthi engage nabantwana. Kune membership form esiyigcwalisayo at churches. We usually visit emasontweni. Sinakhona sifike sisho ukuthi si organization so and then sinakhona si engage sisho ukuthi sine membership form allow umntwana umzali asayina kunikeza i-consent ukuthi you can be part of the organization if you wish. Kodwa uma ngabe kungukuthi umzali uyala ukuthi ube yi-part of nakhona asali. So sathi mase sinabo ke labantwana, so I think they about, if I'm not mistaken, plus minus 80 kids that we have, including Abasozwelo home. We nakhona I tried to contact omunye usisi esasonta naye enkonzweni ukuthi you know what, ngathi makhuluma nosisi ngithi yes, those kids we should never ukuthi sibavalele ngaphandle, asizame ukuthi si engage nabo because nabo I think bayayidinga le sisterhood since nabo bahlala in a closed environment. So nakhona ke sa engage sathola ulwazi ukuthi singena kanjani, and then we went straight there. Nakhona basinikeza 15 of their girls plus minus 15 or 16 years basinikeza abantwana babo. Sabanama events eswa lokhwanjana eswa hostile. First it was extremely hard, because
to crack someone open.
It was extremely hard. Sathi mesiyenza event yokuqala, it was called Galentine's. Yeah, Galentine's. On Valentine's Day. Girls Valentine, yes. We hosted that and it was extremely hard. But it was a success at the end. In our meeting, this was really happening. And we said, yeah, it was happening. It was going down. And we ended up smiling and laughing, though there were those mistakes that we made. The next time, we will rectify those mistakes. Because we will host all of them. But to come to our disappointment, I think less than 40. But it was a start and a good one, because logo kwasenza ukuthi yabona the next one yaba nale gqozi nofuqufuqu even nalo bekade angekho athi nami ngiyakhona. We had snacks, uyabona nje ukuthi mawunama snacks unama welcome notes uzongithola khona. That's how ukuthi ke abanye nomunye uzothi makaphuma to the Galentine's hamba uxoxela omunye ukuthi you know what, there's something like that. Nomunye aphuma xoxela omunye ukuthi there's something like this. Now even the pastors are engaging to the program. Say yibo manje abakwazi ukuthatha abantwana bamantombazane babalethe to the organization ukuthi kune organization like this. So mhlawumbe ungakwazi nawe ufike uthola membership noma uthola information ukuthi how do they work. So nabanye ke sesiba recruiter kanjalo manje kule organization.
So manje ungakhona ungitshela ukuthi what difficulties or challenges have you seen like ukusiza labantwana nani?
Ama-challenges wona they are there. Even now we are facing as abantwana abafanani. There's one ophuma ekhaya ukuthi uzothi makakhuluma ngenkinga yakhe athi umzali mhlawumbe amchike noma amtshele some sorts. Omunye abe ne-understanding parent and a caring parent. Athi lo makaxoxela lo athi lona you know what, mina ekhaya bangiphathanga ngale ndlela. So indlela abakhula ngayo, the difficulties of opening up kusasenzima kokuthi bafike kithi bazo opena ukuthi you know what, nginenkinga la. Can you guys help me? Mhlambe sekuyoba ukuthi ke uma sesivula mhlambe leyo platform yokuthi awukusitshele wena about
impilo yakho kokuthi wena what you are going through. Kuyabalula ke mhlawumbe kokuthi mase bakhulumile nabanye nomunye uzokwazi ukuthi sisibhi ngicela ukukhuluma nawe mhlawumbe aside noma sisindu ngicela ukukhuluma nawe aside, because we went to amasonto sawucela ama-donations for ama-sanitary towels, izinto zokugeza, ukuthi noma ngabe kuthiwa awunaso isixubo ne-Colgate or insipho ne-Vaslab, come to us uzocela lezo zinto, we will gladly give it to you. Ukuthi hamba uyosebenzisa, since you are a girl child nawe kumele uzizwe uzithanda, uthandwa, because elinye ikhaya ufike uthi awuna Vaslab, mhlawumbe umntwana usasebenzisa i-Vaslab ya 6 months ago. Excuse me, 6 months ago. So i-Vaslab you should change, isixubo you should change it, insipho iyaphela, so uba nalawo ma-difficulties ukuthi usebenzisane. Kodwa manje i-content asikwazi ukuthi singaya kubo, reach out to all of them and ask them ukuthi what is it that oshoda ngayo ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi sikulekelele, because if they are quiet nathi asikwazi ukuthi sophuma kubo bonke. Kuba yilaba mhlamba abaseduzane uthola ukuthi nalabo esibabuzayo bathi no, mina I'm fine, I'm comfortable. So i-difficulties yethu yokuqala ileyo ukuthi difficulty ilo ukuthi abafuna uku-open up, abanye they are shying away their problems, abanye abafuni ukukhuluma mhlambe ngokuthi let's say uya-abuseka kokuthi akakhoni ukusho kokuthi yazi you know what, ngithi mina uma ngikhuluma ekhaya mhlawumbe umama uyangishaya, noma mhlawumbe ngithi uma ngikhuluma ekhaya mama uyaphuza nababa uyaphuza, mhlawumbe bayaxabana bagcine mhlawumbe nami sengiyangena in that middle thing. Manje thina kuyasihlukumeza because asazi ukuthi sizobanceda kanjani. And then i-difficulty yesibili, financial issues. Financial issues. Even kumanje we are still writing ama-proposals, asking for ama-donations, ekakhulukazi nje esiyicelayo nje manje the t-shirts, ukuthi nje masingathola branded t-shirts, ongasithengela ama-t-shirts, asifakele itika for our kids, ukuthi nanoma ngabe kuthiwa there's an event noma mhlambe sithi we decide to ukwenza i-march, like kubonakala ukuthi you know what, name tag is there, but name tag it's not visible ngale ndlela iskipa esizogqama ngayo, ukuthi you know what, these kids they mean business.
So laphayana kuma-challenges about opening up and umntwana eza azocela something and yabona the parts where are crucial in the family, ukuthi mhlawumbe ukhulumile ngokuthi yazi ekhaya bayaphuza and there's fights and whatnot. Kusengakaze kwenzeka ukuthi uthole umzali mhlawumbe ulukhuni and uzobuya lakini azothi hey nina even asayininge but yabo uzobuya siyani nika isixubo nizwe ngami ukuthi ngiyahlupheka, you know there's parents man abakhuni nje. Haven't you like mhlawumbe come across?
For now mina bengisenga for now besisengakayitholi like into kanjalo kokuthi umzali uzoza azosifacer like naleyo nkinga leyo asho njalo kithi, ukuthi nje into i-challenge esahlangana nayo kakhulu. We once had this prayer session esake saba nayo, exam prayer, that we hosted last year in October. Yona it was a success thina uma siyibuka, but to some yabazali it was a red flag, because kwathi uma sekukhulekwa uyazi abanye abantwana mhlambe they react to ama prayers, so that went on. So kwagcina sekuthi ke abazali ke sebaya-attack from there, some of the parents sebayasho kokuthi you guys what you did
ngifakele umntanami like
so manje bese kunzima nokuthi we should go on or siyayeka. Manje ngeke inkani ithi no, you are not backing down guys, you fought so hard ukuthi nibe la nikhona.
I think Leo, you should tackle it as a multiracial thing, because you don't have the same religion. Yes, we are black, but also other people, they don't practice Christianity. So bafila ngathi they are being offended if azobabu environment and then lonke nina senithi babu uNkulunkulu, you know, kanibona they don't go they don't
and also umntwana yena ozile
umntwana uzilandela abangani bakhe and they love to
Manje, all in all, I think also bullying is something esazama ukuyikhipha kulabantwana because thola ukuthi they bully each other khona sila yabona sekhona ohleka omunye yabo things like that omele behavior nje like building that ufuna ubatshela ukuthi no guys what is sisterhood first of all get them kuleyo mindset because even on our form like we ask all these questions ukuthi ungubani yabona umzali and stuff like that but at the end we have like a small questionnaire where we like what is sisterhood to you yabo umntwana naye sifuna ukubona understanding of lento azoyijoina unayo yini and if not then we know ukuthi we need to always cover that part nje masiqala event si define lento so that nabo izokhula inabo kubo yabo it must be embedded nakubo bazo understand yeah
okay mina umbuzo ngifuna ukubuza especially ukuthi why you focus on the young girls on helping them yini lenibonile
challenges
or it's your challenges
mina nje engikhule nawo specifically yabo since yimi umuntu owafika nalento I was like okay yabona nje kufana ukuthi mawushela umuntu omdala to me I know ukuthi yabo masuyibuka lento psychologically nokukhula ukuthi okay I had daddy issues yabo and into ebangangilidele ekuthandaneni nomuntu omdala was gonna be that because uzonginikeza that attention and lolo thando and it come umuntu omdala so knowing ukuthi I went through the same thing shela umuntu omdala and didn't know how to respond to it owasekhaya naye umntwana naye so and uthola ukuthi abaningi sebajola nabantu abadala yabo into enjalo and awubona ukuthi it's grooming yabo umntwana mina umfundisi that is grooming it's not right yabo into enjalo so it's the challenges ekhona mina nami ngidlula kuwo ngikhula and I knew that there's no way ngiwani and I talk to my sisters nabo it's the same thing yabo so it's a pattern ebezama ukuthi okay guys vele into ekhona we can't stop it but the way esidila ngako could be different
I think it also goes along the lines of uyabona emandiyeni I don't know if it's appropriate to make this example but producers will cut out if it's not emandiyeni lapha esikoleni ephezulu combine right opposite yakhona kune building enkulu lapha they used to call it madrasa abantwana bakhona bamandiya they used to go there every day ngo-1 and they were being taught lifestyle how to deal with people how to grow up ukuyiphatha you know uyabona ukuthi they act the same way ngeke uzuthola umntwana endiya emendiyeni esitoro ngeke uzuthola street kid you know because they are taught from an early age yabona i-dogma of the church indlela way of living in the household and everything so shuthi thina kuyasala kithi and that is when sibona ngama individuals ukuthi yazi la inkinga so let's try and so this is where I'm going ukuthi it's very beautiful it's a very beautiful initiative that you guys have taken nokuthi abantwana bakhona ukukhuluma abantwana ubabona sebenza uzokwazi ukuthi uqale uvele mangathi uqala ukuhlakanipha ngathi ungamthatha uyomjovisa fast
yabona and nalo
yakhona uzoba ngathi uyamthula uya understand so lapho how do you go about the menstrual how do you teach how do you let them the hygiene that goes along with the self-love.
Well, we had last year a health talk. Yeah, we had also brought in abantu from the health department and lapho vele sasigcile kuloko especially because we had also a younger audience ke lapho because we really tried to sign up abantwana from 12 going up until 20 yabo. So we had really young kids ngaleso sikhathi and we saw ukuthi okay this is the chance to get them on menstruation ukuthi how is it and what is it also because it was like a matter of umntwana ipad ne okay fine wena uzumzali thina abazali bethu nje they were like mama sengiya menstruate he's like me pad okay ufaka la and walala nomfana and that's it yabona and manje akakutshela ukuthi like nale gazi libuyaphi and all that so we try to ukuthi sikhulume nabo from lapho ukuthi mase so intombazane you reach a stage where igazi liyaqala liyaphuma nani that means wena so produce amakanda and stuff like that so ngaba nomntwana yabo just put in that education edlule life orientation because kuba more briefly lapho thina we tried ukuthi si engage nabo in a more like personal experience ukuthi Osiyami nami ngangilifihla ipad phansi kombhede instead of ukuyolahla yabo. So izinto kanjalo we tried ukuthi sikhulume nabo, get them to be comfortable about the topics. Ukuthi angasabi nasesikoleni ukuthi acele kuthisha ukuthi ngicela ukushintsha ipad because abanye bayasaba or omunye ethi uzovela waqala and then manje sekunika so ma embarrassed kanti it's not something to be embarrassed about. So we try ukuthi ungabi nje practical phela ukuthi okay ipad this is what it is usebenzisa kanje. Asicale nje also mentally are you also mentally prepared for this thing yabo. Try to engage kwizinto ukuthi umntwana umbone ukuthi okay uyayi-understand into enzayo the pains mase kufika ama-pains how do you handle them yabo. They need izinto kanjalo. So that's what we try and provide, especially by bringing like different stakeholders ukuthi beze nabo join us because nathi we don't have all the experience, we don't have all the knowledge. Sikhuluma based on experience. So ukuza kwabo they help us yabo. And tell ukuthi we also get like the champions vele laba ba-engage nabo ey'koleni. So it's much more easier.
All right. There was a question yokuthi how do you engage with them on a broader spectrum, but then ngoba nibese nasho ukuthi uMiss Ndu ukhona, so that means it's easier for her ukuthi abathole at esikolweni and then they know about, and futhi shuthi it goes word of mouth more than anything. But I think you should also get a smaller pamphlets that you're gonna give out. Yabona noma seyiphephukile sizoyidoba out of curiosity you just want to know. And your pink is a bright color. Who decided on the color and why? Or is it just pink because it's girly? Or is it pink because there's a significant...
No man, pink man yazi manje makuthiwa the more you wear pink it shows it's so healing as a girl.
It's a healing color.
So nje it's like pink is cool vele yonke into nje uBarbie pink. But then you get to a point where you're just like I like black. Manje I like black, I like green. Mina nje black is my happy color. But once you wear pink man, it channels a different energy. So that's what we try to do. Ukuthi kungabi nje typical pink, but there's that energy man, there's that energy pink. So okwamanje we're still using the tags as membership cards, but njoba shilo ukuthi we want to get the t-shirts now abe very bright pink, so that it will be seen.
Must be seen.
Yes. Girl. We don't want to be invisible.
Okay. One thing about us. Yes. So but we really trying also to reach out to like broader audience, especially in high schools.
I think they also need no matter they are over the age of 18, maybe 19, 20ish. Because inkinga zipheli noma ungaba nayo. I might still have daddy issues manje at the age, and I still need to talk to you because ngathi akunandaba ukuthi wena mina ngimdala kunawe. Ngingakhuluma nawe and get you know different perspective on things. So
or adding up on the questions though, ukuthi how do you approach conversation around like self-esteem about body image, the peer pressure abayifisayo abantu besimame, and the bullying too, like how do you walk them through that ukuthi ba-comfort boost their confidence?
Indaba ye-self-esteem I think we tried to cover it laphaya kwi-health talk because sasihlanganise more different kinds of topics, self-talk, self-love, and how to take care of yourself. Nakuthi mhlawumbe even if usuyaqala ukungena to the stage, how to approach abanye abantu, don't be disrespectful. I meant ukuthi manje ngoba wena usuzibona umzimba wakho sowuthe ukuthi manje usuyibona sowuyiboss ke manje wena usukwazi ukuthi usungakhuluma na kanjani nanoma ngabe ubani, because you never know ukuthi kusasa likuphatheleni. You might disrespect me today kanti kusasa uzophinde ubuye kimi uzongidinga again. So I think ukuthi mhlawumbe into esingaphinde siyizame, it's for us ukuthi siphinde sizame ukubakhumbuza more and more ukuthi sixoxe nabo kabanzi again. And as for bullying, that one it's tough ngale ndlela yokuthi awukwazi ukuthi ungafika uthi kusisb sis B yazi kunomntwana ongibhulishayo and what's not noma ufike mina mangifika kuye ngithi yazi there's something going on la athi yena no you know what mina ngibona lutho la everything is fine nabo labo bantwana uthi uma uthi ukhuluma nabo athi no mina I'm fine. How can you help someone like that? How can you help someone like that? Kanti uthola ukuthi lento it will lead to ekuthenini umuntu commit suicide ngale ndlela yokuthi akakhoni lokuthi open up ukuthi uyabona so lento igcine seyimenzela ukuthi abe nokhwantalala phecelezi depression manje umuntu ke usubathe this person was fine and then all of a sudden manje useyajika usengenye into and isasenzima nyana it's a bit tricky.
One thing ezama ukuyenza, you see affirmations. Affirmations are very crucial because noma bekuthiwa asisekho, this is something when usengayipractice uyi-one. So that okay, even if you're bullying or whatever it is, I'll face him out, but outside there, you still need lezo stamina, lezo push and no, I got this. So we really try like lento yakhe from ekhanda labo man, because I think it's all mental. So you need to start with nje ikhanda labo ukuthi no man, like athi ngikhulume lento ngiyifakile ku, because I love using myself as an example. I was bullied now. So bringing out those experiences in our face, I was like, I had black spots. And then mofake tunic is going to be like, we are $1. Things like that. It will be like it doesn't I want to wear the long ones because in the so I try to relay my personal experiences and how I dealt with it and how it's important to me now just the way that I am because I cannot change it. So it's more of a embrace it's who you are, it's how unique you are. So that pressure I always tell them I'm my hips and I go plumb down. Come on.
So
we never really
ending up using the wrong chemical.
So there always is something about self-esteem.
So we really try to say, guys, come on, we've been through it, but don't pressure yourself. Just find the one thing you love about yourself and admire that. Yeah.
And accept yourself the way you are. Because manje akulula futhi nokuthi uzojabulisa umuntu ngempilo yakho kanti wena you are not happy. Wena you should be happy first before uzojabulisa umuntu.
Okay, so what Sister to Sister needs right now is t-shirts. Basically. Initially.
But also,
importantly, to be seen. It's to be seen. Mina, I think it's to be seen and heard about because Nami Manguzo or Sister to Sister, I'm like, okay, it sounds like a nice name, but I don't know who they are and what they do, what they stand for. But after today's you shed light and we are able to talk to other people about it. So have you tried bringing in other stakeholders and doing your what you call your event or your workshop or whatever? Have you tried to bring in stakeholders like maybe one from social service, one from the clinic, maybe one from Department of Justice, one from SAPS, so that they're able to talk about their jobs and what they do and who they can be able to talk to the situation
we do Shem grip. We work with grip. It's very important because they intervene rape cases. So we do work with Department of Health whenever we're hosting something related to and then they always bring in someone also Caesar representative. And same thing as SAPS, they always give us someone because right now it's the month of May and we'll be going around in schools yabo, and then zama nje ukuthi ingane nazo sigqugquze sizazise the importance of i-child protection week nokuthi what is child protection kubona yabo. So we really do try to work nama stakeholders amaningi, and amanye they just support us maybe ama donations, you know. So whenever we have events, we shout out to them, they reach out nabo, and it's just that akusilula for businesses to also just give out yabo,
and then they were like sifuna ubona ukuthi
surprisingly yabona nje shout out to Mama Mia, they always come through mawisting ukudla and stuff like that. So Mpazima, Muzo Muhle, follow
instructions.
Okay, that's a you guys.
No, these are the people that held us down yabo. Now you tell them
Okay, I guess so. Where do you like see your organization, you know, in the next 5 years? So
I think,
or where do you wish to be?
I think about this year we're not hosting much. We're not doing much. Last year we really tried to put ourselves there, studying abantwana and and then this year we're focusing on fundraising, and then next year we're back again with our events. We try to like those special days, my holidays, especially when kids are available, and just bring meaning to those days, because like last year Youth Day, we were like, no man, Youth Day is not just about Ibrai or your puza somewhere. Labantwana then so we try to bring back that thing Youth Day, and we did Imashi. So we really try to incorporate bona kula ma holidays and what it means. So we just want ikhule ingagcini futhi la ngathi singaba nebranch nabo Amsterdam nabo Driefontein indawo esingakhona nathi ukufinyelela lula, but no ukuthi there is someone or there's an office or something abangafinyelela kuyona. Yiloko nje, just wanted to grow Nkosi yami. It's like my baby nje nayo, so
yini into sister to sister 18 like to expand or keep the engine running for like
I think
reach out to the young girls and that support and
I think okukhulu now wonke expectedly is financial support. Because we do need the money as much as it's more of social welfare, but we really do need the funds to, especially masingatholi ama donations are enough. We need to be able ukuthi abantwana bahlale banako. Umntana angathi ngicela ipad and thothi asekho sekumele ngikhiphe lami in my purse into enjalo. So ngaphandle kwalokho, I think kungakuhle at some point to have our own space, a bigger space, so we don't have to rent out a venue whenever we're doing izinto. So yabona nje izinto ekanjalo, and I think having staff having more people in and even from other organizations and stuff like that, and just know
to volunteer.
Because we do have people that do volunteer, and it's maybe a subcommittee because they really do help out. We need the extra hands.
All right. If you need extra hands,
noted.
So if there's like a message to give out to the girls right there.
Okay. Sister to sister.
Mina engakusho to the young girls out there, don't be shy. Whenever you have trouble or problems, just speak out. Yes, sometimes ukukhuluma kuyasiza than ukuvalela ngaphakathi, because lokho kugcina sekwenza ukuthi ube nama anger issues, noma ngabe kuthiwa umuntu uyafisa uku-approacha with some help angakhoni, because noma ngathi ukhuluma nawe point A wena uka point D. So speaking out, it helps a lot ukuthi mhlawumbe nanoma ngabe kuthiwa ushoda ngani. Yes, we might not have everything that we are hoping for and what we need at the moment, but near future we'll be having everything that we need. We'll be having yonke into nawe sister ongayidinga, and nanokuthi ke kuba nanokuthi abantwana babafana bathi sibavalela ngaphandle. So So at some point nakhona siyazama ukuthi siba accommodate kulokho nalokho okudinga ukuthi kubafake. Yes. So nakubo when it comes to we won't tell much ngokukhula kwabantu besilisa ukuthi bakhula kanjani, but as for girls kulula ukuthi sibatshele ukuthi ukukhula kunjani. So kubo into esingareach out kiyo kungaba ile eyokuthi whenever you are facing mhlawumbe ama troubles ngendaba ye bullying, peer pressure, nanokuthi ke somewhat umuntu mhlawumbe yakuhlukumeza ukuthinta endaweni that you are uncomfortable. So you are more than welcome to come and usho ukuthi singakusiza ngani, what kind of help you want. We are always there, our doors are always available for us to help you.
Sis B.
Yeah, I'm Shani. So engakusho from Sis B, you know, Sis B igama lenu elinganika yini. So it's for you to utilize at all times, and niyangazi ukuthi nitholakala e-center lapha eChrist for Mama. So never ever see yourself unenkinga encane to talk about them. Ayikho inkinga encane uyabona nje khuluma. Everything, whatever it is that you're going through, talk about it, because you will never know ukuthi mina ngakunika advice ethini that could probably change your life or change the perspective yabo izinto ondlula kuzona. And also umuze kimi, it's better than ukuthi uyivalele ngaphandle yabo. Uthisha wesizulu ingane ingane
engakhali ifele embelekweni.
So yeah, so nje mina engakufunda nami growing up is the fact that I had a lot of trouble ngoba ngangakhulumi, but now that sengifike kule stage engikuso ukukhuluma kungisizile and it helps me help you. So ungazivaleli ngaphandle, anything, ayikho inkinga encane, yiza nakho konke, and we'll be there for you.
Kuhle-ke ngoba senishilo nokuthi abafana bayaluthola usizo ngabafakayo. Abanivaleli ngaphandle majidi.
You heard it here. Thank
Sisterhood in the house.
We wavy like that.
I'm asking I want to ask a question.
Okay.
You can emphasize on the Bafana level. So like I'm asking for, you know, I'm trying to be controversial, but I'm not.
Those are dog.
Gays.
Okay, yeah.
Those who identify as sisters, but they are born males. Can they be accommodated? Because like masculine bullying, I guess like basing accepted yet, like
facing a lot.
Also like can they be accommodated to a certain degree? No man abon ba identify as a machita since you were born.
Engakusho mina, we've never had a gay audience so far, or gay child reach out and stuff, yabo. But angeke baze bavalelwe ngaphandle. At the end of the day, abantu nabo that we identify with la emhlabeni, yabona. So asikwazi ukuvala ngaphandle just because we identify as a different gender from le esdila nayo. Like we said, we accommodate everyone. If you identify as a girl, come through. I might not help you to a certain extent because this is angizazi, but kuloko kudingayo kumina, I'll definitely be there for you. But at the same time, if I can't deal ngento yakho, angiyakwazi ukudlulisela kwabanye abangakusiza. So ama channels swaphethe ukuthi okay, if we facing this problem we can't deal nayo thina, then sidlulisela kwabanye abazokusiza ngani. Kanje I won't say who, but likhona ufuna uqala organization Brothers for Brothers, maybe zanjalo. So nje ukuthi nabo abafana bangavaleleki, so we might be like a brother sister organization in the future. Yeah.
I think it sums it up then, because if they don't have that help, they know where to refer you to. They know where to refer you to and who to refer you to.
Sister to sister, iyatholakala yini enkundleni zokuxhumana noma?
Yes.
So, can you drop your social media handles
Oh, sister to sister everywhere. Sister spelled
everywhere.
with CSTAR, then 2 with the number, then CSTAR. Because we're stars, yeah. Bro?
Very
So yeah, you can't make it just an
Come
ordinary.
on.
So yeah. So in the Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, we're trying to get there.
Sometimes.
Trying to get there.
Content creation.
Yeah, because we know with somebody mantwana they bayathanda leso space.
Yes,
So
yes.
it's also a great way by involve nabo.
Since you've been giving out like to the community, the community will some credits or some donations or something.
Yeah. Joba dash nje tisambela amasonto.
Oh,
So what we
sorry,
do,
yes.
amanye amasonto nje, we have boxes, a sister to sister, where they
you
impahla,
drop-
pads,
drop and
toiletries,
go.
yeah, everything. So we then sihambas collect and stuff. So that's also a way of encouraging nabazali ukuthi shy away from it takes a village to raise umntwana. So
Yes.
Yeah.
just because umntwana usorted doesn't mean nalo nomunye ushambe
Yes.
yabo. So yeah, nabanye badonate uniforms, everything. Okukhona nje ongasagqo okusesimene si right.
Yeah, it's
Uyakhona
very
really
ukuthi
important.
yeah usilethele kona and yeah.
So far besingakhethi-ke because abanye bekade basinika nezabafana. We just gratefully accept and sibeke laphaya whenever we are giving out ukuthi sesiyathatha siqale check ukuthi kusase right na, and then siyawasha because abanye bayakwazi ukusidonatela ngensipho yama-stay soft.
Yeah.
So siyakuthi sikuwashe and then sikudonate where they most need.
No, thank you. I'd like to say thank you. Are we done, Mr. Producer? We are done. And that was yet again another episode of Wave Session. We wavy like that. Please do
wavy
tune
like
in.
that, you know.
Click the like and subscribe button
Don't
down
forget.
below.
Yeah.
Thank
Down
you very
below.
much.
Thank you very much for coming.
Yeah,
Thank you for
Sister
Thank you for having
Foundation.
us.
Yeah.
Sing my game, Shin Pelone.